Good morning, all of you. Today, I want to explain a different type of catalyst which is used for organic synthetic reactions, mainly used in alkene or wolfine metathesis. wolfine మెటాథసిస్లో ఈ యొక్క కెటలిస్ట్ని ఎక్కువగా యూజ్ చేస్తారు. ఇట్ ఈజ్ ఏ సెలెక్టివ్ కెటలిస్ట్ ఫర్ wolfine మెటాథసిస్. ద నేమ్ ఈజ్ గ్రబ్స్ కెటలిస్ట్. టుడే క్లాస్లో ఇంగ్లీష్ మీడియం మాత్రమే ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తున్నాను. నేను టుమారో మీకు తెలుగు మీడియం వాళ్ళకి నోట్స్ రాసి తెలుగు మీడియం కూడా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసి పెడతాను. అయినా కానీ మీరు తెలుగు మీడియం వాళ్ళు కూడా వినండి ఒకసారి, ఇంకా టుమారో వినేది కొంచెం మీకు ఎఫెక్టివ్గా ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, గ్రబ్స్ catalyst. There are so many series of catalysts are there. These are a series of transition metal carbene complexes. Actually, these grubs catalysts are transition metal carbene complexes. Once again, grubs catalysts are transition metal carbene complexes, and these catalysts are a series of transition metal carbene complexes used as catalysts for wolfine metathesis. Already I say that these are used for wolfine metathesis. Actually, there are so many scholars developed these catalysts in laboratory. These all scholars are supervised by Robert H. Grubbs. So after his name, this catalyst has named as Grubbs catalyst. Several generations of the catalyst have been developed under this name, like first generation catalyst, second generation catalyst, and third generation catalyst. Actually, Grubbs catalysts tolerate many functional groups in the alkene substrates. They tolerate many functional groups. Whatever the alkene, whatever the functional groups it have, these Grubbs catalysts tolerate all the functional groups present in alkene substrates, and these are also air tolerant, and also these are compatible with a wide range of solvents. These are compatible with a wide range of solvents. These are suitable for more solvents in the organic synthetic reactions. Grubbs catalysts have become popular in organic chemistry. Grubbs catalysts have become popular in synthetic organic chemistry like wolfine metathesis. Mainly, Grubbs catalysts are after discovery and after synthesis these generations of catalysts. These are mainly very useful in wolfine metathesis, which is a different synthetic organic reaction for developing of ring compounds. For example, there are several generations of these catalysts are made, like first generation catalyst, second generation catalyst, and third generation catalyst. I want to explain about briefly its name and structure about first generation Grubbs catalyst. The name of the first generation Grubbs catalyst is benzylidene bis tricyclohexyl phosphino dichlororuthenium. Once again, I want to say the IUPAC name of the first generation Grubbs catalyst, that is benzylidene bis tricyclohexyl phosphino dichlororuthenium. The structure is given here. So this is the benzylidene. This is the benzylidene bis tricyclohexylphosphino dichlororuthenium. Once again I repeat, benzoylidine bis tricyclohexylphosphino dichlororuthenium. This is the first generation Grubbs catalyst which is used in first time in olefin metathesis. Here where Cy is the cyclohexyl ring. What is the cyclohexyl ring? Already you know about the cyclohexyl ring. This is the cyclohexyl ring. It is also written as Cy. Cy means cyclohexyl ring. Next, after some years, a second generation Grubbs catalyst was developed by changing the attached ligands for the first generation Grubbs catalyst. The name of the second generation Grubbs catalyst is 1,3 bis 2, once again the name of the second generation Grubbs catalyst is 1,3 bis 2, 4, 6 trimethyl phenyl 2-imidazolidinylidene 2-imidazolidinylidene dichloro-phenylmethylene trichlorohexylphosphinoruthenium. So this is the name of the second generation Grubbs catalyst. So there are this is actually a complex, a ruthenium complex. Ruthenium is the transition metal, and here carbene complex. It is carbene complex. Actually, this is there are in this catalyst there are in this catalyst there are 5 ligands are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ligands. Among them one ligand is complex ligand. This is a complex ligand. It is a bulky ligand which is and in first generation Grubbs catalyst one tricyclohexyl phosphinoligand is replaced by this bulky group. Then after the first generation Grubbs catalyst converted to second generation Grubbs catalyst. Once again its name is 1, 3. 1, 3. Oh, 1, 3. What is the meaning of 1, 3? 1, 2, 3. Nitrogen ఒకసారి నెంబరింగ్ ఇస్తే 1, 2, 3 1, 2, 3 1, 3 ప్లేస్లో మనకి ఏమున్నాయి ట్రైమిథైల్ ఫినైల్ రింగ్స్ ఉన్నాయి. కాబట్టి 1, 3 bis 2, 4, 6 trimethyl phenyl 2 imidazolidine 2 imidazolidinylidene 2 imidazolidinylidene dichloro-phenylmethylene tricyclohexyl phosphinoruthenium. This is the second generation Grubbs catalyst. Once again I want to repeat. 1, 3 bis 2, 4, 6 trimethyl phenyl 2 imidazolidinylidene dichloro-phenylmethylene tricyclohexyl phosphinoruthenium. This is the second generation Grubbs catalyst which is developed from the first generation Grubbs catalyst In first generation Grubbs catalyst, one of the tricyclohexyl phosphonol is replaced by a bulky ligand like 1,3 bis 2,4,6 trimethyl phenyl to imidazolidinylidine ligand. So this is the second generation Grubbs catalyst. If the phosphine ligands in the second generation, Grubbs catalyst is replaced by a pyridine, which is more labile ligand. Then the rate of the Grubbs catalyst is increased more and more. It is experimentally they known the fact that the rate of the Grubbs catalyst is developed or increased more and more if the phosphine ligands in the second generation Grubbs catalyst is replaced by more labile pyridine ligands. This is termed as a third generation Grubbs catalyst. The structure is given below. The name of this third generation is 1,3 bis 2,4,6 trimethyl phenyl to imidazolidinylidine dichloro phenylmethylene pyridine or pyridinyl ruthenium complex. So this is in solution form. Actually this is in solution form. If it is in solid form, two pyridine rings are attached. Py means pyridine. In solid form, two pyridine rings are attached for this third generation Grubbs catalyst, but in solution form only one pyridine ring is attached as a ligand, but another one is labile, so it is removed under a solution form. So this is the third generation Grubbs catalyst. So Grubbs catalysts are the transitional metal carbene complexes. These are mainly used in the organic synthetic reactions like olefin metathesis. There are some group of scholars developed this type of Grubbs catalysts, and under the supervision of the Robert H. Grubbs. So these catalysts are named after that scientist Grubbs. So these are called as Grubbs catalysts. There are several generations of Grubbs catalysts are there. First generation, second generation and third generation. Second generation catalyst is developed from the first generation catalyst, which is developed and third generation Grubbs catalyst is developed from the second generation Grubbs catalyst. So different groups are attached for different generations of Grubbs catalysts. Thank you, dear students. Please listen carefully this video 2 or 3 times and make notes while listening. Then you experience effective learning. Thank you one and all.